In this video, I will show you how to fix your account cannot be created at this time Apple ID error on your iPhone or iPad. So if you're having this kind of error when you're trying to create your own Apple ID, then this video is for you. So in order to fix that, I have in here this article from the Apple support that can help us if you can't create an Apple account or see your account cannot be created at this time. So if this isn't the first Apple account that you've tried to create, you can try to create an account or you can reset your password if you already have an account. If you're trying to create an Apple account and see a message that says email address or phone number is unavailable or can't be used, then that must mean that the Apple account already exists. So you can try resetting your password. However, if you're trying to create an account for a child, you can use family sharing or create an Apple account for a child instead of a regular one. You can also try to set up multiple accounts for business or employees by using a Manage Apple account in Apple Business Manager. If you still need help, and you can create your account in the settings or system preferences. If you have a Windows, PC, or Android device, try creating your account on the web at account.apple.com. You can update also the latest software of your iPhone or iPad. And if this is your first account, that means that you can get some suggestions on what to do next based on this. You also can try to check your internet connection if it is fast enough in order to create an account for Apple. So that's how you fix your account cannot be created at this time. Hope we help.